Welcome to the Feature Creature. Today we're talking about the top 10 most venomous animals in the world. These creatures may be small, but they pack a deadly punch. So, get ready to learn about some of the most dangerous creatures on the planet. The inland taipan. Ranked as the world's most venomous snake, this species is found in the arid regions of Australia. The inland taipan has enough venom to kill over 100 people, and its bite can cause paralysis, kidney failure, and cardiac arrest. What's even more concerning is that the inland taipan has an incredibly potent venom. It's so potent that it can kill an adult human in as little as 45 minutes. This makes it a creature to be feared and respected. Despite its reputation, the inland taipan is a shy and elusive animal. It avoids human interaction whenever possible and usually only bites when it feels threatened. However, if you do happen to come across one, it's best to keep a safe distance and not provoke it. So, if you ever find yourself wandering in the outback, keep an eye out for the inland taipan. Remember, it's not just one of the most dangerous snakes in Australia, but in the entire world. The stonefish. The stonefish is a master of camouflage, perfectly blending in with its surroundings on the ocean floor. It's found in the shallow waters of the Indo-Pacific region and is particularly prevalent in the waters of Australia. This fish is not only venomous but also has razor-sharp dorsal spines which can cause excruciating pain if stepped on. The venom of the stonefish is so potent that it can cause paralysis and even death within a few hours if left untreated. The venom affects the cardiovascular system and can cause the victim's blood pressure to drop dramatically. Its venom is powerful enough to kill a human within an hour, and there is no known antidote. The stonefish's venomous spines are one of the reasons why it is responsible for many human fatalities every year. Interestingly, the stonefish is also considered a delicacy in some parts of the world, particularly in Japan. However, consuming the fish is not recommended, as it is still toxic even after it has been cooked. Box jellyfish. Also known as sea wasps, they are one of the most venomous creatures in the world and are found primarily in the waters surrounding Australia and the Indo-Pacific region. The venom of the box jellyfish attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, and can lead to heart failure, paralysis, and even death. Box jellyfish are unique in that they have 24 eyes that are grouped into 4 clusters, called ropalia. These eyes allow them to detect light and shadows, and to navigate through the water. Box jellyfish also have a bell-shaped body with up to 15 tentacles that can reach up to 10 feet in length, each with thousands of tiny, harpoon-like stingers. If you are stung by a box jellyfish, it is important to remove any tentacles still attached to your skin immediately and to rinse the affected area with vinegar. Do not rinse with fresh water, as this can activate the stingers and cause more venom to be released into the body. Box jellyfish are considered to be among the most dangerous creatures in the ocean and are responsible for numerous deaths each year. While they may look harmless, their venomous stingers are no joke and should be avoided at all costs. So, the next time you're out swimming in the ocean, keep an eye out for these deadly creatures, and remember to stay safe. Cone snail. Cone snails are a group of marine gastropods that have cone-shaped shells. They are known for their beautiful shell patterns and vibrant colors, but don't let their beauty deceive you, they are one of the most venomous creatures in the ocean. There are over 800 species of cone snails, and each species has its unique venom. Their venom contains a cocktail of toxins that can cause paralysis, severe pain, and even death. The venom of some species can also attack the nervous system, leading to respiratory failure. The venom of cone snails is not injected through fangs or stingers like other venomous animals. Instead, it is delivered through a harpoon-like tooth, which the snail can extend and retract. This tooth can penetrate through gloves or wetsuits, making handling cone snails dangerous. If you are stung by a cone snail, it is essential to seek medical attention immediately. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is a small, beautifully colored octopus that inhabits the shallow coral reefs of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Despite its size, this octopus is one of the deadliest creatures in the sea. The venom of the blue-ringed octopus contains tetrodotoxin, which can cause paralysis and death within minutes. It is also one of the few venomous creatures that have no known antivenom. The blue-ringed octopus is not naturally aggressive towards humans and will only attack if provoked or threatened. However, its venom is so potent that even a small bite can be lethal. Symptoms of a blue-ringed octopus sting include numbness, difficulty breathing, and muscle weakness. If you encounter a blue-ringed octopus, it is essential to keep your distance and admire it from afar. Brazilian wandering spider, also known as the banana spider, is one of the most venomous spiders in the world. They are called wandering spiders because they don't spin webs but instead roam the jungle floor looking for prey. They are known to hide in banana crates, hence the name banana spider. The venom of the Brazilian wandering spider contains a potent neurotoxin that can cause paralysis and death. In males, the venom can also cause painful erections that can last for hours. The Brazilian wandering spider is naturally aggressive towards humans and will attack if it feels threatened. They have a defense mechanism where they lift their front two legs and display their fangs to intimidate predators. If you are bitten by a Brazilian wandering spider, it is essential to seek medical attention immediately. Antivenom is available but is not always effective, so prevention is the best approach to avoid contact with these dangerous spiders. Deathstalker scorpion. The deathstalker scorpion is one of the most dangerous species of scorpions in the world. This venomous arachnid is found in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, and its sting can be fatal. The venom of the deathstalker scorpion is a complex mixture of toxins, including neurotoxins and hemotoxins, which can cause severe pain, convulsions, and paralysis. In some cases, it can even lead to death. What makes this scorpion even more dangerous is that its venom is highly resistant to conventional antivenom, making treatment very challenging. Despite its dangerous reputation, the deathstalker scorpion has become popular in the pet trade. However, owning a deathstalker scorpion as a pet is highly discouraged due to its deadly venom and aggressive behavior. If you ever come across one in the wild, it's best to keep a safe distance. Poison dart frog. The poison dart frog is one of the most colorful and fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. These small, brightly colored frogs are native to the rainforests of Central and South America and are known for their toxic skin secretions. The bright colors of the poison dart frog serve as a warning to potential predators that they are highly toxic and should be avoided. The toxic secretions of the poison dart frog contain powerful neurotoxins that can cause paralysis and even death in some cases. The potency of the toxin varies depending on the species of frog, but some species are so toxic that even touching them can be dangerous. Despite their deadly reputation, some indigenous tribes in South America have used the toxin of the poison dart frog to create poison-tipped darts for hunting. Funnel web spider. The funnel web spider is one of the deadliest spiders in the world. This venomous arachnid is found in Australia and is known for its aggressive behavior and potent venom. The venom of the funnel web spider contains a mixture of neurotoxins and atrachotoxins, which can cause severe pain, muscle spasms, and respiratory failure. The male funnel web spider is particularly dangerous as it has longer fangs and is more aggressive than the female. If bitten by a funnel web spider, immediate medical attention is required, and the use of antivenom is essential. Due to their venomous nature, funnel web spiders are considered a significant threat to human health in Australia. Saw-scaled viper. The saw-scaled viper is a venomous snake that is found throughout Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. This snake is named for the sound it makes when it rubs its scales together, which produces a saw-like hiss. The venom of the saw-scaled viper is a complex mixture of toxins that can cause bleeding, organ failure, and death. The saw-scaled viper is responsible for many snakebite deaths in Africa and Asia, particularly in rural areas where medical treatment is not readily available. Despite the danger posed by this snake, it is still hunted for its skin, which is used to make leather goods. Efforts are being made to protect the saw-scaled viper and educate people on the dangers of this venomous snake. And there you have it, folks. We've gone through the top 10 most venomous animals in the world and explored the dangers they pose. From the lethal inland taipan to the deadly deathstalker scorpion, these creatures remind us of the power and fragility of life. But don't worry, we're not here to scare you. We hope this video has given you a better appreciation for the wonders of nature and maybe even inspired you to learn more about the animals around us. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the Feature Creature channel for more fascinating content on the creatures that share our planet. Who knows what amazing creatures we'll feature next? So hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video.